In this video, we take you through the installation process of a high-quality dam liner, step by step, and show you why Aquahub Kenya is the trusted name in water storage and irrigation solutions. We carefully unroll and position the dam liner. Our liners are made from UV-treated HDPE material, known for its durability, flexibility, and resistance to extreme weather conditions. This ensures long-lasting performance even in the harshest environments. Depending on the project, we use liners ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 1 millimeter thickness, customized to your water capacity and site conditions. Every roll is inspected before installation to guarantee quality and strength. Once the liner is in place, our technicians begin seaming and welding. We use specialized heat welding machines to join the sheets seamlessly. Each weld is double-checked for airtight sealing to prevent leaks and guarantee maximum water retention. This is where our expertise truly matters. Precision, skill, and experience come together to create a watertight barrier you can depend on.
Fanya hivi, tengeneza anga ile nyingine ni chome. Ndio. Sio dako. Moja ile dako no ile na kwani.
Sio ndio kama ndo bila. Hiyo haona
Mimi ya rakiji nitara niko na mambo mingi. Unasema twende tukapime. Ate?
Acha apige simu tuone kama.
Toka njia gani? Uko nyumbani, uko mtaani, uko kazini, uko maskani, uko venjani. Unaangalia noma sana.
Nilikuwa naweza kuacha ukibadilisha nienda ni hata kama niko homa.
wala ka blue mo ba cho.
Net. Hiyo.
After the liner installation is complete, we add an extra layer of protection by covering the entire dam with a strong shade net material. This net helps to keep out debris, leaves, and direct sunlight, reducing evaporation and extending the liner's lifespan. It also keeps your stored water clean and safe for irrigation, livestock, or aquaculture use. At Aquahub Kenya, we go the extra mile to ensure your water storage system is both durable and efficient, from installation to finishing touches. At Aquahub Kenya, we don't just sell dam liners. We deliver complete water solutions. From design and supply to installation and maintenance, we're with you every step of the way. Our mission is simple: to help Kenyans harvest and store water sustainably for a better future. Whether you need a small fish pond or a large farm reservoir, we've got you covered. Talk to us today for professional advice, site assessment, and quotation. Call or WhatsApp 079 0719 020.
Naenda na hii sengena, huyu mwenye watengea na haraki.